Hi everyone. Today's topic. This is an important technical interview question in thermodynamics. Temperature is a state function, but heat is a path function. Why? See, before discussing this, let us discuss first what is state function and what is path function. State function. Properties of the system whose values depend only on the state of the system and independent of the path by which the state is reached. Example, pressure, volume, temperature, etc. etc. See, the properties which depend only on the state. State means initial state and final state. It will not depend on path. But here what is path function? Properties whose values depend upon the path follows. Example, work done, then heat change. See here, the path properties which depend on that path by which the system will follow. Okay. See, let us discuss in detail by using a practical example. See, this is just a practical example. This will give a clear idea about what is state function and what is path function, the concept only. See, consider two cities, P and Q. The shortest distance between these two cities is 50 kilometer. Okay, but there were no road facilities in this shortest distance. Maybe the reserved forest, in between this reserved forest, airport, railway station, etc. Something will be there. So here three roads were there. That is P to Q, 175 kilometer road, another is 95 kilometer road, and another one is 105 kilometer road. Okay, if the bus will choose, or bus driver will choose first road, the distance traveled is 75 kilometer. If he choose second path or second road, that is distance traveled is 95 kilometer. If he choose third, the distance traveled is 105 kilometer. See, the distance traveled depend on which road he has to select. Which road? It depend on the path, or it depend on which road. So this is the concept of path function. See here, displacement. What is displacement? Displacement is nothing but it is final position minus initial position, xq minus xp. Okay, so displacement depend only on the final position and initial position, xq minus xp. This is the concept of state function. So let us discuss our main topic, that temperature is a state function and Q is a heat. Heat is a path function. Why? Consider a metallic ball which is in room temperature, that is 27 degrees Celsius. The plan is to reach 80 degrees Celsius. Okay, so that we have to heat. So 27 to 80 degrees Celsius. For that we have to heat. See, the first, fast heating. If you heat what is fast heating? You have to give a large quantity of heat so that within short period of time, this ball will reach 80 degrees Celsius. Second one, heating, cooling, then heating, then cool, then again heating. Okay. Third one, heating, and it is heated to 100 or 120 degrees Celsius, then again cool to reach 80 degrees Celsius. Okay, heating, then cooling. Then last one, slow heating. What is slow heating? If you give a less amount of heat, it will take a long period of time to reach 80 degrees Celsius. So in each path, the quantity of heat required is different. The amount of heat required from 27 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius, it depends on the path by which the system will follow. So heat is a path function. What is temperature? Temperature is 27, initial temperature is 27 and final temperature is 80. So delta T is 80 minus 27. The temperature depends only on the initial and final condition or final state of the system. Okay. See here, the heat is just like distance traveled and the temperature is just like displacement. Okay. So temperature is a state function, but heat is a path function. Okay, thank you.